Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Trader Joe's vegan haul. I recently made a change to go vegan and eat a plant-based diet. The reason why I made this change is for personal health reasons. I really want to experience what vegans proclaim, especially in areas of skin, digestion, and just minimizing any health risks for my future. I've also experienced a lot of sickness with friends and family, cancer specifically, and it makes me really upset to know that things could have been prevented or helped by just simply changing the foods that we put in our bodies. Trader Joe's is my local grocery store, and it's been fairly easy to make this transition because Trader Joe's has a lot of food that applies to this diet. So I wanted to make this video to share with you guys what food products I got and what type of meals that I make with them. So let's start with some of the meat alternative foods that I found in the frozen section at Trader Joe's. First up is this chickenless mandarin orange morsels. I really like this. I've eaten it with brown rice and veggies, and I really like the sauce on this item. I've had the regular orange chicken from the frozen section at Trader's, and I like the sauce on that, and this one definitely tastes like that too. Another item I'm currently loving is this chickenless crispy tenders. It's made with soy and whole grains and comes with about 10 pieces, I believe, and it's really easy to make. You just throw it in the oven for about 10 minutes. I also picked up these meatless meatballs. I've tried this once before and it's kind of bland because there's no sauce with it, but I like to add it on top of this frozen penne pasta that has spicy tomato sauce. This one's super easy to make. You just throw it onto a stovetop, mix it up, and then it's ready. So with these meat alternatives, I like to eat it with some brown jasmine rice or some baked veggies. I usually get like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, onions, and mushrooms. Sometimes I don't really feel like eating rice, so I'll switch it up by making this organic sprouted tricolor quinoa. This is really good if you want to make like Buddha bowls, which is what I usually make for lunch. So basically what you do is you just put quinoa in a bowl and then add in any veggies to your liking. I also like to add this cruciferous crunch collection. It has kale, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, green cabbage, and red cabbage. It's really good. So I put this in and then I add like baked veggies like sweet potatoes and like Brussels sprouts and things like that. And then I like to add also corn, some garbanzo beans is a good topping. And then for sauce, I bought this Korean style barbecue sauce. This is really good. I highly recommend this. And I'll also add in some roasted red pepper hummus and also some raw almonds as well. What's great about these bowls is that you can use whatever is in your fridge at the moment or whatever you're feeling for that day. And I really like making these for lunch because I can just mix it up and it doesn't get boring. Something I really like to eat in the morning is oatmeal. So I got these rolled oats. And then I usually add in like some cinnamon for taste and then top it off with coconut flakes. Another breakfast dish that I like to make, usually more on the weekends because I have more time, are acai bowls. So I got these organic acai puree packets. They come in these individual packets that you can run under water for a few seconds and then put in your blender. And then I'll mix it with some almond milk and then I'll top it off with some fruit. So I got these blackberries. And also I add on top some coconut flakes and other fruits like strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. Another item I picked up is this vegan mozzarella style shredded cheese. And so far I've added it into this brown rice tortillas that I got to make a quesadilla. And I'm still getting used to this vegan cheese. It kind of has that soy taste to it, and like the smell is like almost like too cheesy where it's like too strong. So I'm not sure if I like it yet, but I'm definitely gonna try it in different dishes and see how it goes. So this is pretty much what I've been eating for the past week and a half on this vegan and plant-based diet. I really want to learn how to make different sauces because I'm a huge sauce person, and I feel like if I add it on top of the meat alternatives, then it'll just complete the dish. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited to continue this journey and become more knowledgeable in veganism and share my findings through my channel. Although my channel is primarily fashion driven, I hope to incorporate more food and lifestyle content for you guys. Please let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried any of these foods and anything that you suggest for me to try. I'm super new at this, so any recommendations would help. Also, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching!